This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by Nancy Wheeler. Beautiful, two-story brick home, with updated metal roof and vinyl replacement windows located in Pennington Gap. Home is located on a corner lot with chain-link fence and detached two-car garage. This house has potential to be a gorgeous showplace with beautiful inside woodwork, large rooms and a spectacular, full-length sun porch. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Wheeler at 423-851-1331.